Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the free online certificate course offered by the ISRO, that is Indian Space Research Organization. And all of you know that the certificate from such type of government organizations is very much important to your career, and if you put this certificate in your resume, then it will be added weightage to you and there is a chance of getting the jobs very quickly related to such type of departments or the disciplines. And before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as a immediate notifications to your mobile phones. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing by the Indian Space Research Organization under the government of India. I will provide this link in the description box of this video, so you need not to search in the Google separately. And you just scroll down after clicking on the link, then you can see here the 72th IIRS Outreach Program Basics of Geocomputation and GeoWeb Services, October 19 to 29, 2020. So first we will see the course brochure and then the schedule, and I will show you the online registration form. So this course is going to be run in between October 19th to October 29th. Okay. And coming to the course brochure, click on this one, then you will be directed to the brochure of this course. Announcement brochure for IIRS Outreach Program and the basics of remote sensing, geographical information system and global navigation satellite system. And the limited number of seats are there. The registration will be done on first come first serve basis. Okay, and here these programs are going to be conducted in between the August 17 to November 20, 2020, organized by the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing and Indian Space Research Organization and Department of Space and Government of India. So whatever the certificate you are going to get, that certificate is having the recognition of all these three departments, so which will be very much weightage to your resume as per the career point of view. And about the IIRS, that is Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, about this one is given here, and the outreach program. And here all the classes are live and interactive classrooms will be available, that is virtual. And first of all, it is a completely free of cost. Okay, so the programs are available through internet without any cost to the user. The live and interactive sessions will be conducted by the experts from IISR, the ISRO, and other knowledge institutions. Okay, and IIRS has successfully conducted 63 such courses so far with participation over 1,67,000 plus participants from 1900 plus academic institutions. Okay, so coming to the course announcement, so these are the different courses. Actually started from August 17th, one course was finished. Here it is remote sensing and digital image analysis was finished, global navigation system and geographical information system. So all these three courses are finished right now, and from the October 19th onwards this course is going to start, that is basics of geocomputation and GeoWeb services. Okay, so it is from 19 to 29th October, and the target applicants are undergraduate and postgraduate, whatever the year you might be, you can apply. And the next, technical or scientific staff for central or state government or faculty or researchers at university or the institutions. Fine. And here the course study material is also available, like the lecture slides, video recorded lectures, open source software and the handouts of demonstration, etc. All these things are available to you guys and will be made available through eClass, and video lectures will also be uploaded into this website. Okay, and the course fee is completely no course fee, so anybody can register here. And the course registration, course updates and other details will be available on this link. So to participate in this program, the interested organizations or universities or department institutions has to identify a coordinator at their end and then start applying. So the course funding and the technical support, all this sponsored, this program is sponsored by the ISRO and the Department of Space, Government of India. Okay, and here the coming to the program reception, the desktop with web camera, microphone and output speaker, or laptop with microphone, camera and output speaker must be there. The large display screen or projector or TV. Okay, so anything is fine. So if you have the desktop computer or laptop with web camera or microphone is fine. And so here the important links are provided here, and award of certificate. So working professionals and students based upon the 70% of attendance and 40% marks in the online examination. Okay, so this type of certificate you are going to get, guys, with your name on that one, so which will be very much beneficial to you in your career or else in your future. So the contact details are also given here. If you are having any doubts, then you may contact to this numbers or the mail ID. Okay, so these are the complete details regarding this one. And coming to the online registration form, so click on that one, and then here you can select here course name. So as now I've shown you the 72 IARS outreach program, so click on that one, and then you can fill up all the remaining details. Okay, so it is the information that I want to provide you through this video from my channel. And for more updates and for more notifications, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen that one, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay. So apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.